Hello everyone, this is Jayashree from IIT Hyderabad. My co-authors are Ms. Shreya and Dr. Srijit. I'm here to present our work titled Learning Multisense Word Distributions Using Approximate Kullback Labeler Divergence. The outline of the presentation starts with the need for word embeddings, literature survey, proposed work, followed by experimental results and conclusion. Learning word embeddings have garnered greater attention in the research community. It essentially captures the syntactics and semantics of text, finding diverse applications in natural language processing. It is also necessary for word embeddings to capture multiple senses of a word. For example, word plane has mathematical and vehicle senses and also textual entailment. For example, considering the entailment pair, bike entails vehicle. All bikes are vehicles. Literature survey, well-known methods such as continuous bag of words predicts the target word given the context and skipgram does the reverse. Globe constructs global matrix factorization based on local contexts. However, these models do not handle polysemy. There's quite a number of works which handle polysemy but fail to capture textual entailment. W2G by Wilnis et al. Learns a Gaussian distribution per word. This leads to a very large learned uncertainty and biased distribution centering around only one sense. W2GM by Ben et al. Learns multimodal word distributions. However, their energy function does not consider asymmetry. In our work, we propose to learn mixture of Gaussians per word using KL divergence based energy function in the objective. Gaussian mixtures capture word polysemy and KL divergence essentially captures textual entailment and distributional similarity among words. However, due to the intractability of KL divergence between Gaussian mixtures, we go for KL approximation. To get the notations right, let V denote the list of words and the probability density for a word W is given as a mixture of Gaussians with C number of components. PWJ denotes the probability of word W belonging to component J, and the Gaussian parameters mu and sigma correspond to the mean and covariance of word W and component J with the constraint that all its component probabilities sum to 1. We have a max margin based objective function where M denotes the margin, E denotes the energy function between a word W and its positive context C or its negative context C dash. Since KL divergence is minimum when the distributions are similar and maximum when they are dissimilar, energy function is taken as exponentiated negative KL between FW and FC. Due to the intractability of KL between Gaussian mixtures, we go for KL approx formulation. Given words W and V, their corresponding probability density functions are shown. Then the approx KL formulation, which is analytically tractable, is shown here. Minimizing KL maximizes this denominator term, which minimizes the KL between FW and FV. This handles the textual entailment for words W and V. And minimizing this numerator term maximizes the KL for different components of word W. This ensures that all the components do not converge to a single Gaussian and results in learning diverse senses. The same functionality is achieved by minimizing the expected likelihood over various components of word W. Also, to note that minimizing KL maximizes the expected likelihood over words W and V. Thus, a formulation captures the best of both worlds, thereby capturing asymmetry and also not compromising symmetric similarity. For experimentation, Text 8, a Wikipedia-based dataset, is used for training. The word embeddings are initialized using uniform distribution to ensure fairness. The other parameter details are tabulated. We have done both qualitative and quantitative experiments. Qualitatively, the list of nearest neighbors given a word and its component ID is shown. The word plane has mathematical and vehicle senses, and the word air has vehicle, chemical, and environmental senses. quantitatively, SCWS dataset, which contains word pairs with similarity scores given by human annotators, is used. To obtain model scores, these metrics are used where maxcos WV computes maximum cosine similarity of mean vectors of words W and V among all component pairs. Average cos computes average component-wise cosine similarity. KL-comp computes the maximum component-wise negative KL over words W and V. KL-approx has the same formulation as discussed in the previous slides. On computing the Spearman correlation between human annotator scores and model scores, it was found that GMKL performs better than other approaches using various metrics. We further experimented with 10 benchmark word similarity datasets, and it was found that GMKL performed better for most of the datasets. We have also used entailment datasets containing entailment word pairs labeled as entailing or not. The models are evaluated using the best average precision and F1 scores. It was observed that GMKL performs relatively better than other approaches. To conclude, we have proposed an approach, GMKL, to learn multisense word embedding distributions using approx scale between Gaussian mixtures. We have also demonstrated that GMKL performed better than other approaches on benchmark word similarity and entailment datasets.